Let's talk about AWS IAM, your security gatekeeper. It decides who gets access to what. Imagine it as a bouncer at an exclusive club, but for AWS resources. It ensures only the right people get in and stay within their boundaries, keeping everything secure and compliant. The best part, it helps avoid chaos by enforcing least privilege access, meaning no unnecessary permissions floating around. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Welcome to AWS IAM, where access control is king. IAM helps you decide who can use AWS resources and in what way. Think of it like an ID card system. You set up rules using policies, assign permissions to users, groups, or roles, and voila, access is neatly organized. Without IAM, AWS would be like an open buffet with no security, definitely not a good idea. IAM is built like a well-organized team. Users are individuals, groups are like departments sharing permissions, roles allow temporary access for different tasks, and policies dictate what's allowed and what's not. Think of policies as the rulebook, like setting guidelines for office coffee machine usage, but way more important. IAM users are like employees with ID badges. Each has a unique login and assigned permissions. The golden rules: give only the necessary privileges. You wouldn't give a janitor access to financial reports, right? That's how IAM works, keeping things streamlined and safe. Think of multi-factor authentication as locking a treasure chest with not one, but 2 keys. By requiring multiple verification steps, we make it much harder for intruders to break in. This method significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access and supports options like OTPs and biometrics. If we want our sensitive data to stay safe, this is an absolute must. So let's embrace it and keep cybervillains at bay. Logging IAM activities is like having security cameras for your AWS environment. By tracking user actions, we can audit, troubleshoot, and catch any sneaky behavior. AWS CloudTrail and CloudWatch make this easy by offering detailed insights into access patterns. If we want compliance and security to be more than just buzzwords, proper monitoring is the way to go. Security compliance isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about keeping data safe and sound. IAM policies need to meet standards like GDPR and ISO, ensuring strict access controls reduce breaches. Audits help us stay on track, proving to regulators and our boss that we're serious about security. So let's follow the rules and make compliance our best friend. IAM conditions and permissions boundaries are like setting curfews for different users. Some need full access, while others should only see the basics. Conditions fine-tune control, while boundaries ensure no one sneaks into higher privileges. This prevents security mishaps and keeps AWS accounts operating smoothly. Let's be smart about access control. IAM isn't just about users. It connects with AWS services like EC2, S3, and Lambda to secure operations. By applying access control at the service level, we minimize risk and automate processes using IAM roles. Instead of babysitting permissions manually, let's let IAM do the heavy lifting. Troubleshooting IAM issues is like solving a mystery. Permission errors: check IAM policy evaluations. Login trouble: maybe a credential reset is needed. If APIs aren't working, IAM logs will spill the secrets. And let's not forget trust policies. Roles need the right configuration to function smoothly. With these steps, IAM headaches will be a thing of the past. Alright, let's wrap this up. IAM is a powerhouse for security, keeping AWS environments safe and sound. Multi-factor authentication and monitoring tighten defenses, while policy management ensures compliance. And if something goes wrong, a little troubleshooting know-how saves the day. So go forth and master IAM. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.